story, Baking at Night. Jasmine woke up during the night. She heard voices and a bright light shone up the stairs. Buttoning her gown tightly, she walked downstairs. She quietly peeked around the kitchen door and caught sight of the neighbor's daughter talking to her mom. They were busy weighing butter and flour and beating eggs in a bowl. She gave a sigh and thought, why are they baking in the middle of the night? Then she remembered with delight that it was her 8th birthday the next day. Might they be baking treats for her birthday? Jasmine ran straight back to bed. She couldn't wait for the next morning to see what they had baked.